Okay guys, it's Dave from Australia Blast to Heaven. This is the Glock 18. I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'll do an unboxing another time. This is just going to show you how it shoots and whatnot. So pretty much it's got the scope, moving slot. You just put the battery in. Fill her up. Keep you a minute. No, keep you on this. The slide goes in and out of sync. Doesn't affect the shooting of the toy though. Yeah, like put it down. We've got a little target set up down there, probably about 8 meters away. So yeah, that's how it shoots. Like, and yeah, so overall, it's a decent gun. Other than the slide going in and out of sync, still shoots fine. Yeah, look us up, Australian Blast to Heaven on Facebook, or we've got a website www.australianblasttoheaven.com.au. And yeah, remember.
Subscribe and always wear your glasses.